7 Chevy truck with a crank no start condition. I wanted to see how many cranks will it take to kill this jump box. We're connected. We have our switching light, and once we connect we get the green light to go crank it. Alright, let's go crank it. See how many cranks. That was 10 rotations. I'm gonna do a key off, key on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, give it a minute. We still have some juice. Oh, nothing. Let's go back to it. It's red. Does it say? I cannot see it because of the sun. Oh, it says 43. I know you guys probably won't see it, but I see it says 43%. Right here. This is the reset button. Okay, if we disconnect it and reconnect it, nothing. So let's hit reset and we have a green again. Let's go crank it, see if it still has what it takes.